drop it! You're ruining the glass! No freaking way.
Once you see the before and after with a steam cleaner, you'll never go back to scrubbing. It is an absolute essential for me now. It blasts grime out of tiny nooks and crannies that your sponge just smears around. Plus, it comes with a bunch of different attachments so you can deep clean literally every room. It's the definition of versatile. Grab it while the...
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you. So if it's